Want to fix OSPPREARM run as administrator not working issue? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. The first thing you want to do is open up your File Explorer. Now head over to your C drive. Then from here select Microsoft Office, then go to Office 16. Now you want to copy this location. Click on the copy option. Once you have copied it, you want to type command prompt in the search bar, right click and select run as administrator. Now here you want to type cd slash and hit enter. Next you want to type cd space and press Ctrl V to paste the copied location. Now press enter. Now we want to type cs script space ospp.vbs space /d status. Then press enter. Now you will see processing on your screen. Wait for some time. After that, you will see an SKU ID over here. You want to copy that. Now, in the end, you want to type osppvrm.exe space and press Ctrl V to paste the copied SKU. After a certain time, you will get a message that says Microsoft Office VRM successful, and that's it. This issue will now be fixed. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.